Let's solve some STAAR grade 8 math question on similar shapes. Now let's take a look at this. Figure ABCD is similar to figure VWXYZ. That means the side angle ABCDE. Angle A will be equal to angle V, then W, X, Y, and Z. So the question now is which proportion must be true? So which proportion must be true? AE, let's see, this is AE over CD is equal to XY over VZ. This is not correct. Let's see. Let's take a look at it from here. We have AE over CD equals what? AE over XY, sorry. It says AE over XY. A is not equal to X. A is equal to V. So the first one is wrong. So now the first one is wrong. The next one, AB, we have AB over VW, okay, equals YZ. If you are choosing from this triangle first, then for the left hand side, then from the right hand side, you must also choose from this triangle first. So it cannot be AB over VW cannot be equal to YZ. So it has to be DE over YZ, not YZ as the numerator. So it cannot be option it can't be option B. That is wrong because the the angles have been changed. Assuming it is AB over VW, assuming WDE is as the numerator, we would have considered it. So now let's see BC. We have BC over XY. No, B is not equal to X. B is equal to W, so it cannot be C. So lastly, we have AB. Let's see. AB, we have AB over VW, so that's correct, equals CD over XY. You can see that is correct because AB over VW, then CD over XY. That is correct. So option D is the correct proportion. So now let's look at the next one. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. So that means is equal to D, B equal to E, and C equals F. And now AB is 6, DE is 4. BC is not given. Okay, let's do it this way. AB is 6. AB will be equal to DE, and AB is 6, DE is 4. Then let's do AC. AC will be equal to DF, and AC is 7, DF is X. So now, which proportion must be true? Let's see. 7 over X equals 4 over 6. Says 7 over X, 4 over 6. This is wrong because if you are choosing from the first triangle first, then in the second ratio, second fraction also, you must choose from the first triangle. So if you choose 7 here, say 7 over X, when you are choosing the second one, you cannot choose 4 first. You have to choose 6 before choosing 4. So the first one is wrong. So now let's consider the next one. 4 over 6. We are choosing this from this triangle first. So from the small triangle first. So 4 over 6 equals X over 7. This is correct. So if you are choosing from the small triangle first, you must always maintain that. So 4 over 6, 4 is from the first triangle, 6 is from the big triangle, X is from the small triangle, 7 is from the big triangle, and the sides are equal. Side DE is equal to AB. Now let's see, 6 over 4 equals 4 over 7. 6 over 4 equals X over 7. This one has switched. We must not switch it. 4 over x equals 7 over 6. This one too is wrong. So G is the correct option. If you are choosing from the small triangle first, you must choose from the you must maintain that. So now this one says in the diagram, in this diagram, a person who is 6 feet tall. Let's first bring the two triangles out. We have this small triangle. The small triangle has 3 and 6. The big triangle has 18 and h. So 3, 6, 18 h. So which proportion can be used to find h, the height of the building in feet? So let's see. We have 3 over h. For f is wrong because we have 3 here and we are taking h from the big one. That is wrong. Then we have 18. They are not the same size. 3 and h are not the same. H is the height here. 3 is not the height for the small triangle. The second one says 6 over 3, that is the height of the small triangle over the base equals the height of the big triangle over the base. So this can be correct. If you are choosing base and height, you can either say the height of the small triangle over the base of the small triangle equals the height of the big triangle over the base of the big triangle. Or you can say the height over the small triangle over the height of the small triangle equals the base of the small triangle over the base of the big triangle over the base of the big triangle, whichever one you're using. So for this one, we are using height over base equals height over base. So height over base for the small one is equal to height over base for the big one. So option G is correct. Let's look at H and J. Option H and J, this one is having 15. There is no 15 in the option, so it cannot be H. Then this one says 6 over 3 equals 18 over H. 6 over 3, yes, 6 over 3 equals 18 over H. No, 18 is not, 6 is the height here and 18 is not the height. So you cannot say 6 over 3 and now put height. If you are putting height at the top, height must be at the top here too. If you are putting base at the bottom, base must be at the bottom here also. So G is the correct option. Whatever you do to the left, you must do it to the right. Don't change it. So quadrilateral, this we have K, L, M, N. K will be equal to T, U, V, and W. So we are to which proportion must be true? Let's see. Y over 15. Y over 15 equals 22.5 over 28. This does not tally. Y is here, 15 is here, 22.5, okay, over 28. Let's consider this. It can be A. KL is equal to TU. Okay, KL is equal to TU. So that is, okay, it says 22.5, so this is wrong. Assuming it says 28 over 22.5, we would have considered A, but it is saying 22.5 first. So KL is equal to TU. So wherever you are putting KL, it has to be TU is TU that corresponds to it, not TW. Now let's look at B. We have Y over 28. Okay, KL over TU is equal to 5 over 22.5. 5 is here, 22.5 is here. This is wrong. They are not corresponding. LM does not correspond to TW. The next one, we have 20 over 30. Yes, these two sides correspond. Then 5 over x. 5 is here, x is here. So option C is correct. 20 over 30, then 5 here, x here. LM corresponds to UV. Let's look at the last one. 15 over 20. We have 15 here. This is the side that corresponds to it. So it cannot, okay, 15 over 20. Okay, let's say 15 over 20, then x over 30. It cannot be x over 30. It's supposed to be this over this. So this is wrong. So when you are choosing, make sure the sides you are choosing, they correspond. Else, you get a wrong answer. So now let's look at this one. Figure 1 and figure 2 are similar. Based on the figure, which proportion is true? X over y, okay, this side corresponds to this side, agreed, equals 3 over 5, equals 3 over 5. Since we are choosing x from this figure 1 first, the second side you must choose must come from figure 1 first, so it cannot be 3 over 5. Assuming it is 5 over 3, it would have been correct. So if you choose from figure 1 first, the other side too must choose from figure 1 first. You don't choose from figure 1 and then start from figure 2 in the second for the second fraction. So x over y, yes, x over y equals 2 over 4. 2 over 4. 2 over 4. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. It's choosing two sides from one shape. The next one, x over y, yes, x over y is correct. That's the only one that we've seen that is correct. X over y equals 4 over 2. 4 over 2. This is wrong. Then lastly, x over y equals 5 over 3. Yes, 5 over 3. Yeah, both chose from the big from figure 1 first. So you have to choose from figure 1 first if you are choosing figure 1 over figure 2. So now figure 1 and figure 2 again. This one looks tricky, but it is not that tricky. All you have to do is just kind of maybe turn this one so that this place will be equal to this place. So from this now, if you look at this shape now, we can say that um angle R is equal to angle D. If you turn it and if you look at this one has three marking here, this one also has three markings. So angle R is equal to angle D. Then let's move to the right. S will be equal to E. When you move to the right, we move like this, we move clockwise, we are moving clockwise. So after S we have T. T is equal to F, still moving clockwise. After T we have U. U is equal to A, still moving clockwise. We have V is equal to B, and then lastly we have W is equal to C. And that is how to know the size, the angles that are equal. Now we want to look at which proportion must be true. Let's see RS. RS RS, this is RS. RS must be equal to UV. RS must be equal to UV. RS, this is RS, and it must be equal to UV. Is it that we say RS over DE equals UV over AB, or we say RS over UV equals DE over AB? So RS corresponds to UV from the angles we've listed out. So this one now says RS equals TU. This is TU, so this is wrong. The next one says TU, okay, this is TU over AB. This is AB. They don't go together. That can't go together. The next one says ST, let's see, ST, this is ST over EF, okay, equals WR. This is WR over CD. So this one goes because this is it. ST over EF, you can see that they correspond, equals WR over CD. W corresponds to C, R corresponds to D. So that is the correct option. But for this one, WV is also wrong. This is WV, and then we now have AB here, ST here, and then EF. So that is wrong. So, and then lastly, let's take a look at this one. Which proportion must be true? Let's see. AB, where is A? A is here, then B is here. So this one is wrong. A does not correspond to B. So A over B equals 8 over 2 is wrong. Let's try 3.2. This is 3.2 this side over 2. Okay, 3.2 over 2 goes equals A. This is A and this is 8. So this one goes 3.2 over 2 equals A over 8. Those sides correspond. Let's try the next one. B over 6.4. We have B here over 6.4. Those ones correspond. Equals 8 over 5. B over 6.4 equals 8 over 5. So if you are using B over 6.4, we are supposed to say 5 over 8, not 8 over 5. You don't twist it, you don't flip it. Now 2 over 3.5, 3.2, yes. 2 over 3.2 equals B over A. No, this one too does not go. So G is the correct answer, and that will be all for this video.